Hi, Classroom 3. Today I'm going to read a story called Family Forever. I thought this story would be nice since we are home with our families during this time. Um, so is the title of the book is Family Forever by Julia Storybook. So we have the front cover and we have the author. This is actually a Julia storybook. The author is, let's find author is, oh, her name is, I guess, Julia. No, it's actually by Leslie Kimmelman with Julia Boscom, and the illustrator is named Mary Beth Nelson. Julia family is amazing. Julia mom is a teacher. She gives awesome hugs. She can do 3 cartwheels in a row. Julia and her mom love to read and talk together. Julia has autism. Sometimes she can't find the words she needs, so she uses her talker. So this is her talker because she have I would say a special, she needs to learn in another kind of way. So she uses a talker. It's like I would say like a tablet or some, or maybe an iPad that she uses to help her read. Julia's father helps people when they're sick or hurt. And he sure can play the saxophone. For those who don't know the saxophone, this is an instrument and it makes music. Julia and her brother Samuel are best friends. Julia cheers for him at his soccer games. They make each other laugh so much that their parents sometimes call them the Giggle Monsters. Julia herself loves to sing, and she's really good at drawing and painting. She loves to draw superhero Samuel. Sometimes she does things a little differently in a Julia kind of way. So Julia likes to do things in her kind of ways. Sometimes I know you guys love to do things in your way. Let me set it over. Julia Ho's family love picnics. Today they're having a picnic on Sesame Street. Julia brings along Fluster. She never goes anywhere without her fuzzy friend. So here, this is Fluster. What is Fluster's favorite picnic food? Samuel asks Julia. Caterpillars. Julia giggles. Frog, she said. Boing, boing, boing. Samuel giggles too. Okay, giggle monsters. Their mom says, time to go. Then mom and dad and Samuel chant, family forever. Family sticks together. Together, repeats Julia. Julia and Samuel's friends are waiting. Hi, Julia. Hi, Samuel. Say Elmo and Abby. Hi, Samuel says. Do you want to play follow the leader? Julia's really good at it. Yeah, says Elmo. Julia will. You be the leader first? Julia goes to the front of the line, flapping her hands as she does sometimes when she's excited. She starts the game by jumping. Boing, boing, boing. The friends boingity boing all over the park. Then Abby leaves, flying like an airplane. Elmo leaves, waddling like a penguin. And Samuel leaves, stumping through a big pile of leaves. Julia stops to pick up Pretty Red Leaf. As they head to the picnic blanket, Julia stops. Fluster, she cries. Fluster's gone. She cries and rocks back and forth like she does when she's upset. Her friends try to help. Elmo, remember losing Elmo's doll baby, David? Once, Elmo says. Elmo took deep belly breaths until Elmo found David again. Abby holds out a bubble wand. Take a big breath and then blow out lots of bubbles. Abby suggests, that's belly breathing too. Let's try the fluster song, Samuel suggests. Maybe Fluster will hear. They sing a song Samuel made up especially for Julia. There was a bunny, soft and brown, and Fluster had his name Oluff. Julia feels a little better. Julia and Samuel's parents gather everyone on the blanket. They all sit quietly because sometimes quiet is just what Julia needs. Julia is still too upset to find her words. She points to sad on the talker. So you see she's pointing to sad on her on talker because remember Julia cannot talk that much as other people. She points to sad on the stalker. You're saying you're sad about Fluster, says her dad. Yes, we'll help you look. So do you think Julia is still sad? Remember, Julia really is good at finding things, Samuel says. Julia, let's play treasure hunt. Where could Fluster be? Where did we go when we were playing? Julia points to the swing set on her talker, and Samuel goes off to look. When he comes back, he says, Nope, not at the swing set. So Julia points to the slide, and Samuel goes off to look. Nope, not at the slide either, he says. Julia points to the big pile of leaves, and Samuel goes off to look. Two bunny ears are sticking out of the pile. Do you guys think that's Fluster? Let's see. Fluster, Julia shouts. We did it, Samuel exclaims. Elmo points to Happy on Julia's talker. But Julia doesn't need any words to tell the others how happy she is. Fluster gets lots of hugs, and Julia gives him the best seat at the picnic. You found the treasure, Julia, Samuel says. It's Fluster. Family and friends forever, say their mom, as everyone high fives. Family and friends stick together. Julia giggles. Together, she says. And that's the end. Hope you enjoyed the story.